Are you having an affair with Lisette Boudreau?
Oh, God, Jasmine, I can't do this without a drink.
No, don't tap dance. You never went to Chicago. You took the Jordans au pair to Paris. I know what's been going on.
Can we talk about this, please?
You bet we can talk about it.
Can you do it calmly? I want to talk to you about what's going on. You're always so...
How do you expect me to react? You've been sleeping with other women for years. I mean, Raylene, your secretary, our trainer, Amy.
This is different. This is serious. Lisette and I are in love.
What? Are you crazy?
Sorry, but I need you to hear this. Lisette and I are in love.
What does that mean? What does that stupidity even mean?
It means we're making plans for the future together.
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble understanding.
I know this comes as a shock, but I have to be honest with you.
You wanna be honest? That's the biggest joke of all.
I've had casual flirtations in the past. They didn't mean anything until now. This is different.
Are you out of your mind? She's a teenager, for Christ's sake. She's an au pair. I mean, are you crazy?
Christ, this is hard for me to tell you.
This is hard for you? What about me? This is so humiliating for me. This is bad enough that everyone knows that you've been unfaithful. But to throw me away for this stupid-looking little French.
I will take very good care of you. I'm sorry.
I can't breathe. Oh, I don't know what What am I doing here? Oh God, this is unacceptable. This is not gonna happen. You are not going anywhere. Oh, this is unacceptable.
Jasmine, you're having a tantrum.
Don't touch me. Don't you
having a
touch me.
Stop. Stop.
What am I doing here?
Pull yourself together.
I can't.
Jasmine.
I can't breathe.
Jasmine. When you calm down, we can talk like two civilized adults about the arrangements we have to make. Until then, I'm gonna check into a hotel.
Hello? Yes, I need the number of the FBI. Can you connect me? Yes, FBI.